Okay, guys. So myself Jayant Kumar. Full name is Jayant Kumar, and you can call me Jay. So I'm having 11 years of experience. I'm having 11 years of experience in ETL testing only. So mostly I worked on ETL testing only for 11 years with the multiple companies I worked. So I worked with UST Global. I have worked with Deloitte. I worked with Atos. Currently, I'm working with IBM company. So management. So myself. I told you, like 11 years of experience in ETL testing, multiple projects I have worked. So based on that only, I have prepared this syllabus, and like I have attended more than 150 200 interviews. So based on that experience as well, I have prepared this syllabus how they are gonna ask you in interview ATL questions. So whatever the syllabus I'm gonna teach you, if you'll be able to focus on that, if you learn that perfectly fine, so 90%, 95% questions they will ask you from that only, and you will be able to clear easily. So you just have to follow my instruction, and whatever the course material I gave, you have to follow that only. You don't go anywhere. You don't refer anything, only my syllabus if you'll refer, and then time by time if you'll contact with me, and you'll attend the classes regularly, you'll be able to get the job easily. Like it's a easy technology to get the job compared to other technology. I'll tell you how. So management activity, Tejaswani will be there, so we'll help you for the installation and all. So we'll tell her to for the software installation, she will help you. Technical placement officer Jayant and myself will be there who will help you to get the job, and clear your doubt, your group discussion, your mock interviews, everything. My team will help you on that. It's like once we'll complete 50% of your syllabus, your group discussion will start, and once we'll complete. Priyanka, please rejoin. You'll be able to hear my voice. Everyone is able to hear my voice. Can you confirm in chat box, guys? Okay, so these are the facility we are going to provide you. Software installation, me, I'll help you to software installation. Okay, whoever is having the audio problem, please disconnect and join back. Okay, so each and every support will be there until unless you will not get job. Full support will be there. So you can call me, you can ping me anytime. We will discuss on whatever the doubts you'll have, or after the, like if you'll have any discussion, if you want to give the mock, or if you want to discuss any interview related things and all. After once we'll start the session, we'll have the proper batch. You can call me and you can ask me. So we'll discuss on that. Like many people I'm helping, and they are getting, without my help it will be difficult for you to get the jobs. Other places trainer will not help you much, because they will tell you that like I'll help you, but the moment you will call them, they will not in will not involve with you more. So what exactly ETL testing? So we spoke about the ETL testing and all. So it's a software testing only. It's a software testing based on manual testing only. The ETL testing based on the manual testing only, but it's a technical manual testing. You will have so many things in a manual way, but the ETL testing you will have it will be based on the SQL based technology. Like you are gonna write a SQL query and all these things. So what is exactly ETL testing? It is called as data warehouse testing, also DWS testing, data warehouse testing, Informatica testing, all this cloud testing, all these things are called as ETL testing only. And you see nowadays many companies they started their own business, like Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, your Reliance Fresh, Walmart, H&M, so many other company, each and every bank and all. So what they will do, like the banking, if you will take HDFC banking, SBI banking, City banking, all these things, online shopping, wherever you do online shopping, whatever the app you will use, you will generate lots of data. Insurance, whatever the insurance company are there, they need to secure their data. Retail company, wherever you go in a store and all, if you swipe your card or you do transaction through the counter, they need to store your data. So there also telecom company also much required. Vodafone and all, they have lots of team for the ETL tester. The stock market also lots of openings are there. So altogether, all the segments you will have the ETL testing requirement. If you will take one example of IBM company will have 50 to 60 projects on ETL technology only, and they need ETL tester for their to validate the data. What exactly data? When you swipe, when you do any kind of transaction, online transaction, or you go in a bank and you do transaction and all, so you are generating data. In that case, what will happen? When you are generating data, they need to save somewhere your data, business data, and then they have to keep it safe. Like after 10 years, also, if you want your bank statement, so they will generate and then they will give it. So somewhere in the database, they will secure it for to generate the report also. Like consider that 1 year they have done complete transaction. You have HDFC Bank and you have account in HDFC Bank. You have you have went to bank and you have done some transaction, deposit, withdrawal, and all these things. So like that, millions customers are there who are doing transaction daily basis. So what will happen is generating the data in HDFC Bank. So what they will do, they want to store this data in HDFC Bank for the future purpose, as well as to generate the report. Why generate the report? Why they want to generate the report? They want to see the progress, year by year progress, or they want to see how their business are doing quarterly and all. So you will see many times, many banks or many other company, they will post that this year we have this much of profit. This quarter we have 3,000 crore profit, 2,000 crore profit, this much of loss are there. From where they will do it? They will store this data, and then based on this data they will generate the report. For that they need data engineer teams for the development perspective, and then they need a ETL tester to validate whatever the data engineer, they will do the coding and all. So same thing, ETL tester will validate in the different layer. Consider that your bank data is moving from one layer to another layer, L1 to L2, and then L3. Okay, so all these things, finally the data will be stored in L3, which will be all history data, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years data will be saved. And then based on this, where they will store the final data, from there they will generate the report, as well as after 10 years or 5 years also, if you want to get bank statement for current year, so you will be able to get it from the bank people will go and they will download from here for 1 year of data from your for your account, and they'll give you all the data. Okay, so this is how your ETL testings will work. So you have to validate that when the data will move from here L1 to L2 and L2 to L3, all the transformation logic is applied properly as per the client requirement and all. You have to validate using SQL or Python code. You are going to validate those things. Okay, guys. One of the student who got 4 offer letter, he joined. So let him explain how he has prepared and how he got help from my, teaching, and how much help he got it. So he will explain, and then we'll start the session. Yeah, go ahead, Ravi. You can explain your preparation.
Yeah, hi. Hi, sir.
Yeah,
Hi,
Ravi.
team. Yeah,
Yeah,
this is the first class, sir.
yeah, first class, demo class, Ravi.
Yeah, yeah. Hi, all. So I'm a BCom graduate, and I have joined in my 12th batch. So after joining, I have followed whatever sir told. I have followed as it is. So theory questions wise and practical wise, I have been followed as it is. And I would have been practically done all those practice on day-to-day basis. So at least daily 2 to 3 hours, if you can able to practice, if you can able to take time and practice, so you will get job by the end of the session. So and you need to search more on the YouTube, like for practical questions nowadays. So in interviews, those peoples are asking practical questions more. For practical questions, you need to prepare, and you need to make practice all those material whatever sir is given. So that is sufficient to the interview purpose. And apart from that, I hear that you are going to teach cloud knowledge as well and basics of Python as well. So that will be very much sufficient to get the job. So nowadays, so there are so many jobs. If you add any cloud knowledge in your resume, apart from ETL testing. So there are so many jobs. So from last 1 month, I am giving. I tried giving the interviews. So in last month itself, I have been given more than 60 interviews in 1 month, and out of them, I got offer from 9 companies, literally nine, and one 10 companies. I have got the offer letter. Uh, you know, uh, my suggestion for you all people is, don't overlap the PF. So that is a big issue. So keep in your mind, that is a very important point I wanted to share to all of you. And apart from that, if you practice on day-to-day basis, and if you can able to, we are going to conduct the daily group discussion sessions. If you can able to attend that, so that is sufficient for all of you. And there are jobs, and for ETL testing, the demand will be there as long as data rotates in the market. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ravi, thank you. Okay, guys. So if anyone is having any doubt from Ravi, so he attended 60 interviews. So based on that, he got nine offer letter. You got. I was knowing four offer letter only. So nine offer letter till HR level. How many company you reached?
HR level, I have been reached for more than 15, I can say.
Okay. So out
Yeah,
of that, you
60
got nine
interviews
offer
are
letter.
not for only first round. Say it includes second round, third round, and HR round includes 60
Oh,
interviews.
okay. Nice. Oh, nice,
Can
nice.
we expect calls for 3 years experience?
Yes, 3 years we can expect.
Yeah, yeah, so since so many technologies are expecting minimum 4 years, right?
And whatever
Yeah.
the material I gave Ravi, it is more sufficient for your interview.
Yes, it is sufficient.
Okay. Next
I
question, guys.
have
Yeah.
I have a query. This is Govind. So I have been working for past 10 years. So I was working in various support projects. So even I worked on data stage, which is an ETL tool, but it's a support kind of work. So I think I'm not sure if I am very late to the party here, but how I can approach for this ETL testing related jobs. Like I am 10 years experience, so how I can leverage it or
Gopi,
So
see,
you
Ravi
are
is from the BCom background. So after that, also he learned, and then he is able to get many offers. So if whatever the support, like in the IT side, only doing the support, so you will be easily you will be able to migrate to ETL testing. So I'll help you in that case. What you have to do, only thing is that
okay.
you have to follow my instruction and you have to learn the syllabus properly, whatever I'll teach, and based on that, how you're gonna explain in interview, how you're gonna prepare your resume, everything I'm gonna tell you. Like you don't worry, like it will be end-to-end support until unless you will not get job, full support will be there. And wherever
Oh,
you will get stuck, I'll help you in that case. Okay, so you have 10 years of experience, that is very good. We'll show some 6 to 7 years of ETL testing or 5 to 6 years of ETL testing experience. Based on that, definitely 100% you will get the job. Sure,
okay.
I'm very much sure.
Thank you.
Ravi, you
Thank you.
want to add anything?
Yeah, if you can able to learn SQL, that will be added advantage to all of your adding experiences, and you can land, about 20 LPA easily if you can able to learn SQL very fast. Apart from SQL, if you can able to add basics of Python, any cloud experience, anyway you have the cloud experience, no?
No, no, he's having support experience.
Okay, only support.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Uh,
Data stage he
Actually,
will.
support project with many tools, kind of like IBM MQ, IBM Data Stage, and
yeah,
No.
mainframe, like that. Actually,
So Ravi,
if you
he was in IT only, like 50-60% he was IT only. So he is much
yeah,
eligible to get into proper IT. So we'll help
yes.
him. No worries.
With 10
yeah.
years of experience, and if you can able to learn SQL perfectly, and if you can able to write SQL queries perfectly, you can land around 30 LPA in my guess.
10 years,
Yeah.
no. we'll see that his current
in a
package.
1 to 2 months.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Jayant,
and one
among
more
the
thing
all,
I want.
yeah, Jayant,
Yeah,
among
one
the
more thing I
all
wanted
ETL
to.
tools available in the market, which tool focus for this ETL testing?
Databricks, I'll tell you that syllabus part. Databricks, we are gonna focus. Informatica and Databricks, we are gonna focus.
Okay, okay.
So that
Thank
is, see, Informatica is old tool, but
Yes,
Databricks
sir.
is latest. It's currently
Yes,
market.
yes,
Everything
sir.
is in
Azure
ETL testing.
Databricks, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yes, sir. I see a lot of people are migrating from Informatica to clouds.
yeah. That's what, like, I am gonna explain three project on cloud, like GCP, Azure, and AWS. All three projects will be very perfectly, and you are gonna add same project in your resume. It will be very helpful. Don't worry on that. With practical, in the last, once we'll complete the course, I'll explain you all these things. Only thing is that you have to follow my instruction, learn the syllabus properly. Whatever I'm gonna teach, learn it, and whatever help you need, I'll be there to help.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sir. I know one final thing I wanted to add. Like, if you go with the coding part or any other testing parts, so it is easy. Like ETL testing is easy to learn and easy to perform as well in the practical.
ఎన్నికి తిన్నానే నాలుగు తిన్నే
Come again.
Go ahead, Ravi. Go ahead, Ravi.
Yeah, it is easy to learn and easy to implement in our day-to-day work environment also. So if you can able to like in Telugu, what they will call is custom. So if you can able to struggle for 2 months or 1.5 month, literally, you will get the job. So it is easy, and there is a demand for the ETL testers as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you learn only manual testing, so there are no calls nowadays. So if you can add this ETL testing with any one cloud, if you put any one cloud, the people will run behind you like anything.
Yeah, I'll help them to add that. Okay, Ravi, and you got help from me while searching the job.
Yes.
So whenever you need help, you got help, no? Like
Yeah.
whatever is.
Yeah, tremendous help I got. Like uh, after my quitting second job, like I'm little bit frustrated, like where to go. Like there is a PF overlap showing in my
No, don't
history.
tell those things, Ravi. Not
Yeah,
require those things.
that will be. I'm a little bit frustrated, but I got so much of help from this, sir.
Okay, guys, if you have any question, you can ask Ravi.
Hello,
Yeah, tell me.
Bhupendra here. Hello, sir. Just wanted to ask you. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Just wanted to ask you how much coding is necessary for this technology, and that's all. How much coding is necessary?
Yeah, continuation for this question is Linux is also required for this.
Linux
Linux.
basics will learn, okay? So don't worry on
Okay,
that.
okay.
Linux is the added advantage, but Linux is not required here.
Not
Okay,
compulsory.
okay.
Not compulsory. And coding part, out of 100, if you can able to do 15 to 20% also, it is okay here.
Okay, and just ask this question because I'm not so good in coding. That's why I asked.
No,
Yeah,
don't worry. It's easy only. Basic things needed that I'm gonna teach you. Don't worry on that. That's what I'm saying. If you'll follow my instruction, you will be able to get it.
Okay. Thank you.
Next question, if anyone is having. Apsara, Chandra, D, Deepa, Gopi, Govind.
Hi, Jane.
Yeah, go
Yeah,
ahead. Your name?
yeah. My name is Vishnu.
Yeah, Vishnu, go ahead.
Yeah, actually, I worked as a. I have actually 4 years of experience in IT.
Mm-hmm.
So I worked on different projects like SharePoint and some other technologies like support kind of work only. I'm
Mm-hmm.
little bit scared of to work with, learn some coding. So I'm looking to learn something. I can say it's not difficult to learn. So it's like kind of testing, like kind of looking. So now I can hear some in the market there is some cloud like data engineer, this kind of tools, Databricks, data factory, this kind of
Hmm.
tools. So
Databricks is added here in your
yes, yeah,
syllabus.
yeah, I can see. So in database also we need to learn PySpark, this all the things, right? SQL, PySpark.
Spark is not much required. Very few, like, see, those are the things which companies going for the different technology. Like it's totally different. So out of
Mhm.
say 20 interview, you will get one or two company they may ask you that one. But 18 to 19 company they will tell only this whatever we are gonna learn your Databricks and then Python, SQL, Informatica. This is only the basics. PySpark
Mhm.
and all, it's very rarely used. That also I'm gonna add. Don't worry on that.
That's fine. See, Databricks means inside they will write code in the PySpark or SQL, right? So if
That's
database is
everything I'm gonna show in Databricks. So don't worry.
okay, okay,
You will be able to install in your laptop also. That's a free edition. So I'll tell you how you are gonna practice everything.
okay, okay. Mhm. So for
And
test,
real time project also I'll show you how
mm,
the testers are doing for the
mm,
ETL testers, how they are
mm,
doing in Databricks. Everything I'm
mm.
gonna show you.
So
So don't
without zero knowledge also, so we can learn right here. So
everything. Like, see, I'm real time working professional in ETL tester. So whatever
mm,
latest things are going, that I'll deliver you. Based on that only you're going to attend the interview, and easily you will get the job. So it's not outdated things I'm gonna teach. It's the latest which is running in the market, which is where the company are using it. That only we are gonna learn after completing the basics things.
mhm. Okay, okay. Yeah,
Hmm.
thank
Hi Ravi, what is the highest package you got from this?
Ravi, how much you package, highest package and lowest package you got out of 9 offers?
18 LPA.
18 LP and lowest.
Lowest is 12, 14, 16.
And
In this,
last time, last week when we discussed 4 offer letter, you told fifth was
yes,
on pipeline. So this
yeah.
week you got 3, 4 offer letter more.
Yeah, I know. This week also I got one offer from the no, the company name I forgot now, but
Don't tell.
they called me and they wanted to join C3 IT. C3 IT कुछ नाम है,
Uh,
and they told that we will offer you 19 also, but
hmm.
by that time I have been already joined in this activity. This is a
Arey,
product based
Ravi.
company, so
No,
Ravi, have you attended interview face to face or online?
yeah, come again.
don't share
Have you?
any personal thing, Ravi, please.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead. Sorry, yeah.
Have you attended face to face or virtually?
Harsal, your voice is very low. Can you speak loud little bit?
Uh, I'm saying like you have attended interview virtually or face to face in person interview.
Yeah, Ravi, you have attended interview virtually or you went office and then you have attended?
For example, if there are 3 rounds, so they will conduct 2 rounds virtual and 1 round face to face. It
Okay,
depends upon the company strategy.
okay, okay, fine.
Okay, guys. So, thank you, Ravi, and
Yeah, thank you.
congratulations for your
Yeah.
future. Let
Yeah,
me know if you have
Ravi,
any.
Ravi, in WhatsApp you mentioned the course fees we'll discuss in the class.
Yeah, I'll tell you that Ravi will not tell. I'll tell. Jai Hind.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay, guys. Okay, Ravi. Thank you so much. If any help will be needed, please guide them. Okay. Okay, guys. So he was Ravi, and he told 9 offer letters. So I was knowing only 4 or 5 offer letter. So, but like he is really very hardworking. Plus, sometimes what happened, like he is getting frustrated. Like if will not get, like, see, he gave 60 interviews, and if will not get initially 6, 7 interview when he was not able to get the offer letter. So he was demotivated. So what to do? I'm not getting it, and all these things. So I told him that, see, you have to trust your confidence. Like you have to trust in yourself also. It's not like suddenly you will get it everything. So you just have to focus more. Remove your whatever the negative things are there. Remove it. Be positive, and then you will get it. Then again, he put it for 2 weeks, last 2 weeks, 3 weeks. He got lots of offer letters. So that's really nice, and he's really hardworking. And then he's from Andhra, but like he respect a lot. And whenever I also ask him to, like, take the session for group discussion and all, as he got multiple offer letters, so he was taking for my previous batch. 1 week he taken the group discussions with all the interview questions. So that I'll explain. I ask him again when your batch will be in the air. So I'll ask him to take the group discussion so that you can ask more in detail what are the things we are gonna, how we are gonna. Anyway, I'm here. Like I'll be the responsible person for you to help each and every steps. Okay, so don't worry on that. So this, I hope you got it for the ETL testing. What is ETL testing? So data related validations only you have to do. Whatever the business data is there, you're gonna validate the data. Whatever your the data engineer, and then as per the client requirement, whatever the developers will develop, that you're gonna validate as a cloud engineer or ETL testing. Okay. So this is the requirement. More in details tomorrow. Again, I'll explain you what is ETL testing. Course by like class by class, you'll understand completely what are the things are there. Tomorrow, I'll explain you the syllabus. There, I'll explain you again ETL testing, where exactly what we are gonna use it. And many people they ask about the latest technology. So already I've added from the last batch, like your Python and Databricks, whatever is there. So whatever is required, that I'm adding time by time. What is going, like 1 year back, 2 years back, it was like completely traditional way ETL testing only. But nowadays, when the cloud is included in ETL testing, so lots of things are added. So those things also I'm going to you are going to learn here, and based on that, you are gonna you will search the job, and then you will get it. And each and every point, I'm gonna help you. Like I'll be holding your finger, and then I'll place you in a company like that. It will be there. So end of the day, you have to only attend the interview. But how to tell in interview your roles and responsibility, your project explanation, how you're gonna present your resume, everything. I will do the spoon feeding. So don't worry on that. I time by time I'm taking classes like for the already learned people. If they are again coming out of the companies and all these things, if they are need any things, like one person was there, so he joined last year one company, but his performance was a problem. So he was in he got released like after serving 3 months of notice period. So time by time, whatever was there, so he was asking me. I explained him again everything, cloud project and all. Now he got again job. He got job of the 13 or 14 LPA. He got the job again. So I'll call him again also in the future classes. So as of now, whatever Ravi told and whatever I'm saying, you just have to follow the same. So why only ETL testing I'm saying? The third point is that why only ETL testing I'm saying. See, ETL testing is based on your SQL, based on your SQL technology. Okay, manual testing. Okay, so SQL based technology. The ETL testing is based on SQL. So manual testing, when you will go for manual testing, there is no opening only. Now there is no opening for manual testing. Everything is automated in manual testing. So that's why ETL testing, it's based on the business data. So lots of business data is generating every day in market. So they need a ETL tester in a huge quantity. Okay, so manual testing, there is no openings and all. It is a old technology, very old technology. So it's disappearing from the market. Automation testing is like you need 5 to 6 months to learn. When you go for Java Selenium and all, it need 5 to 6 months to learn. And then from your side also, to make Java code and all these things, coding perfect, you'll need 2 3 more months to learn all these things. Altogether, it's like 8 to 9 months or 1 year of full this work. And after that also, you will not able to get, like after 3-4 months only you will get bored. Many people they are coming like that. Okay, so I learned automation Selenium, but I'm not getting job because they are asking so difficult programming language in Java. And online they are asking for the coding. So those things are not required in ETL testing. If your query is correct 80 to 70%, they will see that only your method is correct or not, and you will be able to get the job. So this is the beauty of your ETL testing. So not required much coding, easy things, and like you will like also when you will see the business data, you will like working in the ETL testing only. And moreover, I am here to support you when you are going for the interview. I'll be there to help you, as well as when you will get into project. There also I'll help you to like wherever if you will be struggling with the project part and all. I'll tell you how to do it. What are the things are there in like whatever wherever you got stuck. So don't worry on that. Before job, after job also I'm here to help you. So no need to worry. Other places they will not take that much of seriously whether you are placed or not. That is not their headache. But my thing is that if you'll get job, that I'll be happy more than you. So that is the benefit you will get here. ETL testing, software testing using SQL. So ETL testing based on SQL, 60 to 70% of your interview depends on your SQL part only. How good you will be in a SQL, that much faster you will get the job. And Python, little bit basic you're supposed to know. That's all. That I'm gonna teach you. ETL testing. Why I'm saying ETL testing only? It's easy to learn, easy to learn, easy to crack interview. Ravi also told the same thing. Easy to learn, easy to crack interview, and easy to survive in the industry. You learn complex things. You got the job also, but survival in a project will be a difficult. But ETL testing, it's easy to survive if you're good, if you're okay in a SQL part. Okay, if you will put 3-4 hours, 5 hours per day effort in the project, you will be perfect in the testing, ETL testing. So manual testing, very less calls, very less package, and very less openings are there. But no doubt, it's easy to learn. It's a completely theory, but no calls, very less package also they are giving. Nowadays, no opening in manual testing only. For ETL testing, we need approximately 6 weeks of time. 6 weeks of time. 1.5 weeks will be for the Python and 1 week for the your Databricks. So altogether, it will be 2 months of time. 2 months of time, and then we'll go for the interview preparation and all. For resume preparation, interview preparation, your project part and all, everything will be included in 2 months only. 1 week plus minus, I don't count, but my target will be to complete in 1.5 month. But 15 days, as per your how much doubts you will ask, that much it will be good for your learning, as well as it will like 1 week extra also for me, no problem. Okay. So that is why, as I told you, Java Selenium, it will take 7 to 8 months to learn, and then cracking interview in Java Selenium is not so easy, guys. Not so easy. It's a very complex thing. They will give you, very complex project, and then they will tell you to share your screen and write in front of you on the in Eclipse and all. And if your code will be correct, then only you are gonna select. If your code is not correct, if you are not able to get the output, you are not going to select. So Selenium Java is not suitable if you're not working anywhere. If you want to get job faster, then ETL testing is much suitable. Okay, get job faster in this. After learning this, when you get job after 6 months, 1 year, 2 years later, if you want to learn something else, you learn it. Okay, so there is no problem. But ETL testing easy to learn, easy to crack interview, and easy to survive in industry because it's a SQL based technology, which will be easy only. SQL and Python based technology, which will be easy in the future. Okay. So all these things are scope for ETL testing. Yeah. So scope for ETL testing, many people you will doubt that what is this ETL testing? I've never heard and all. So you have to trust. Scope for ETL testing is very nice, very good because it's a business data related scope. So whatever the technology you take, whatever the company you take, they are generating data. You take banking domain, like banking domain. In India, you will have more than 100 banks in India. All over world, it will be so many jobs will be there. So many companies will be there. So many banks are there in all over world. So they need ETL tester. They need ETL technology to store their data. So think bank only, you have 2,000, 3,000 banks. More than that only it will be there. But retail side, your telecom side, your insurance side, online shopping side, stock market side, so many companies are there which they need ETL testers. So don't worry on that. Scope is good. Only your job is to give 100% percent effort honestly. Give your 100% effort honestly, and follow my instruction. Seriously, you follow my instruction and get the offer letter and join like Ravi, how join the new batch like that you join and motivate others also and help me also, guys. Okay. So this batch is weekend batch. Friday, Saturday, Sunday evening will have the classes. Friday, Saturday, Sunday evening will have the classes. Okay, so Friday it will be 1.5 hour. Saturday, Sunday it will be 1 hour 45 minutes or 2 hours. Once we finalize the batch, then you will have 1 hour 45 minutes, 2 hours class will be there on Saturday, Sunday. But as of now, once we'll not finalize the batch, your classes will be on 1.5 hour Friday, Saturday, Sunday evening 8 to 9:30. Later on, will little bit decrease on the Saturday, Sunday based on your feedback. Okay. Class recording and the daily class notes will be provided in the shared drive. So if you'll see the shared drive, how you will get it, we have Google Drive 200 GB memory space already. I have bought it already. 150 GB is used. So like how I'm gonna share it, like these are the batches are there. Okay, so you see here, I'm gonna explain you like latest batch was 40 batch, which I have started 20-25 days back. Like this, you will get the recordings. Okay, like this, you will get the recordings, all these places. Consider that one batch when I'm opening it, Agile methodology, ALM, basic of Unix, command, SQL. So how the SQL class by class, it will be there. So I'll be uploading the recording here and then you'll be able to refer it. If you'll miss any session or any topics, if you'll have doubt, you can refer these things and then day by day you have to practice. And then class document also I'll be, upload like this. Like if you'll see the class document, it is having approximately 76 pages, 76 pages in this SQL part. See, 76 pages are there. Each and every things I'll give you with a assignment also. With assignment, I'll give you all these things. Okay, so full support will be there, as well as in interview company, how they are asking the questions and all, everything I'll give you. Scenario based questions also, 230 questions. I'll give you scenario based question, like 29 pages are there. Scenario based questions, I have got it from the some Google, so that I found it useful, so I have taken that, and then you will be able to practice those things. Interview questions and all are there. So whatever is needed, I'm gonna help you completely. So like this, your day by day classes will recordings will be uploaded into your folder, data warehouse, all these things, recording plus practice document, your Informatica class recording plus practice document, as well as your manual testing, project explanation, everything will be there. The project related docs as well as the recordings will be there. Now, if you see here, you have the uh, cloud project. Already I have explained many cloud projected. So traditional project I have explained. Then GCP project I have explained. Azure cloud project I have explained. I'll explain. I'll add more AWS cloud project here for your batch, and experience related docs are there. Your resume folders are there, where like you how to prepare for the resumes and all, cloud project explanation resume folders. All resumes are there, whether it's a 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus or fresher resume, everything are there. And how to prepare your resume, all sessions are there. So many people, what they do, they are full free, like they are not working anywhere. So they will take the previous class recording and then they will prepare in 25 to 30 days or 35 days. They will sit for say, 7-8 hours, 10 hours per day, and then they will prepare completely in 25 to 30 days. And then after that they will prepare resume and then they will go for the job. And like that also, many people, they are getting job in faster way. So that is called as fast track course. You will be attending the regular classes. You will be attending the regular classes, plus you will get the previous class recording. I'll give you access for the previous class recording, and you will be able to prepare those by referring the recording with attending regular classes also. With attending the regular classes also, you will be you know have all these things. So like this, you will get full support. Wherever you will have doubt, you can ask me any time. Okay, so like this, your batch will be batch 41, batch 41, ETL testing. So batch 41 ETL testing, like this you will have, and in this only each and every recordings will be there. Folders will be shared to your mail ID, and you will be able to get the job based on this. So like this, we follow our ETL testing learning process. So why you have to give the mock interviews once you complete the SQL part, you have to give me mock, and then second mock or third mock you have to give when you will complete full syllabus. Whether you refer fast track course or you refer daily classes, you have to give the mock. Once you give the mock, whatever the demerits will be there, whatever the lagging area will be there, I'll tell you that you have to focus on this area. I feel like you are the weak in this area when you will give me mock. So that time I'll tell you that these are the lagging area in your skills. Please work on that. You will work on that. You will give me mock again, and then you will go for the interview. So like that's 100%. Whoever is giving me mock, they are getting 100% job. So that is the strike rate till now. So it's a weekend classes, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Evening time your classes will be there. Evening time your classes will be there. Uh, you know, evening your classes will be there 8 to 9:30 for as of now. Okay, so Friday it will be 1.5 hours. Saturday, Sunday, once we'll finalize the batch, 2 hours classes will be there. Group discussions, earlier Venkatesh was taking, but he joined some company, so he's not there. So Ravi will take your group discussions, or I'll be taking your group discussions, or we'll find out if anyone is good with knowledge in your batch, he will take it. So altogether, it's like group discussions are very important, guys. Okay, Python basic also I'll teach, and then Databricks also I'll teach. So don't worry on that. So a document part, oh, let me explain you the document part, guys.
We'll get the recording sessions previous batches or
Previous batches I was charging 10K, and then 8K, 10K, like that I was charging. Last
okay.
batch also I made it 6K, and this batch also I made it 6K because I'm getting multiple calls. Today also two people they called, I have no jobs and all. So I made
Yes,
it
yes,
okay. 6K is very much affordable with without job and
yes, yes.
who is doing
Yeah.
job.
In that
So I
6K,
made it.
can we get to previous recording sessions also?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
6K including everything. You will get the previous
Yeah.
class recording. You get the previous class recording and attend the regular classes also. It's not like
Yeah.
only you will get the previous class recording and you will not attend
Yes,
the
yes,
regular classes. You will have the access for all these things. Whatever the facility I'm providing, everything.
yes, yes. Very helpful, Jane. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what. Okay. Yeah, guys. Any other doubt? The course fees will be 6K for this batch, fixed. Any other doubt? Anyone? Guys, if you have any doubt, if you don't want to ask here, you can ask with me also.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hi,
yeah, Murli.
Jay here, Murli here.
Yeah, Murli, tell
So,
me.
is there any fast track course is there?
Yeah, fast track. Same thing I explain you. If you want to prepare in a faster phase, I'll give you previous class recording access. I'll give you previous class recording access, and you will prepare. I'll tell you what are the things you have to prepare in order wise. So you'll prepare this one, and then you'll give me mock. You will be attending the regular classes also, and you'll be attending by referring the recordings also. That will same charge only 6K only, everything included. You
Oh,
yeah, everything is there. Like
so,
it's a class recording. How I'm taking this class recording, same thing it will be there. Like you see here, 142 MB, 165 MB, 185 MB, 200 MB.
yeah,
It's a
so
class recording.
guidance will be provided by you, right?
100%. See, I am always available on WhatsApp. If you want to discuss with me anytime, you WhatsApp me in my free time. I'll call you and then we'll discuss with you because many times I'll be in meeting and office, so maybe I'll not respond, but I'll go out and then I'll talk to you. See, what if you'll see here, everything is there in your drive. In Google Drive, each and every recordings, each and every documents are there. Moreover, once you'll prepare this one, I'll give you the resume folder access. how to upload in Naukri and all, everything is there here, as well as your project explanations, cloud project explanations also there. You'll prepare and you'll be give me mock. You'll prepare your resume and you'll share with me. I'll review it. Wherever I'll find out that no, you have to change this point, I'll tell you. We'll be changing together, and how to explain in your interview your roles and responsibility, your project explanation, everything in Drive only. And you'll be attending the regular classes also, so you will be in connect with me over phone or over the classes. And class also, how I'm taking 5-10 minutes starting. I'll give you time. You can discuss your doubts and all. We'll discuss 10-minute doubt and then we'll start the classes. Assignment I'll give you on daily basis. So I'll discuss the assignment also. All these things are together. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, guys. Any other question? Durga, Gopi, Govind, Harsal, Deepa, Chandra, Hassan, Murli, Muthu, Narendra, Pawan, Pratik. Any doubt? Vicky, Vishal, Rajesh.
So
No.
just a query, this
Yeah.
going. So if you say ETL testing, so are we concentrating about the data quality testing, or it's altogether a different part?
Yeah, data quality only. How accurate the data is developed by developer. That based on the requirement, how accurately the data is developed by developer, that we are gonna validate as part of ETL tester.
Okay.
ETL developer will be there who will be developing the coding and all everything based on the client requirement. And same thing, same requirement we will also get, and we will make sure that those data is developed properly by the developer, and it's a populated like 100 records are there in a one layer, and 100 records should be populated in the second layer with some transformation logic, some logic. Then we have to validate those things, like 100 records are populating in the second layer or not. Those things we are going to validate as part of ETL testing.
Okay. Another query. Is there any automation part in this ETL testing? Do we have like in general? I'm asking not about the class, but in general, because for normal testing, there is an nowadays they are going for automation, right?
Now,
Like that.
manual testing, I told you that they are automating it. But ETL tester, when you validating the data, some automation tools are there that I'll explain you how you're going to automate those things. But 100% you can't make data validations accurate, like
Hmm,
automation. So
correct.
nowadays, few things are, people are making it, student diverted with automation and all, but ETL testing is based on the data. You cannot make 100% automation in ETL testing, because
Oh,
how will you make sure that the data is matching perfectly fine or all? You have to check it manually, correct? Consider that
correct.
you one tool you have developed, 100 record is moved from one layer to another layer, but there are some data mismatch. Who will check that? ETL testers are required after performing automation also. ETL testers are required. What are the rules are not matching? So they can report on the developer. So that there only lots of ETL testers are required. And we have also done automation, but there is a way to automate. I'll tell you those things also. It, not required much, but whatever is required to crack the interview, I'm gonna deliver it.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
And one request is there: 100% effort is needed from you guys. Be ready to give you 100% effort, and whatever instructions I'm giving you, you have to follow that blindly with 100% trust on me. You have to follow all the 100%, whatever the instructions I'll give. You have to follow me honestly and seriously, and it's just a matter of 1.5 month, 2 month. Okay, if you'll give your best, you are gonna get with the good package. Okay, guys.
Thank you.
So, yeah, anyone else? Any doubt? I see few people only asking. Biswa, any doubt? Vicky, Kandala, Raju?
Hi Jay Kumar, this is Tauki.
Yeah, Kandala. Tell me. the BT.
Sir,
Actually, I
what's the
have
class timing?
Batch timing will be Friday, Saturday, Sunday evening 8 to 9:30.
Okay, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay,
Hmm.
8 to 9.
Why I
Okay,
have
okay.
included Friday, because Saturday, Sunday again, if I'll take 2 hours, no, it will take more time. So Friday anyway, it will be evening times. You people will be free only.
Correct, sir.
Yeah, so that's why.
Good. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, Tabitha.
yes, Jay Kumar. Actually, I have 36 years of experience as a manual testing only.
Hmm.
Currently, I'm working from the past 2 years. I work in an MNC company.
Hmm.
If I learning this course after, I have 3 months notice period. For 3 months notice period, is getting calls.
3 months notice period is really, it's a difficult, but there is a way. I'll tell you once you complete the course, I'll tell you how you're gonna get it. Many people with the same technology, so they are able to get it. Okay. I'll tell you what are the ways are there. How will you able to manage 3 months notice period? We'll tell you those things. Don't worry on that. But you be ready with proper learning of ETL testing. And what are the ways are there? I'll tell you. If that will not work out, then any times it will work out. Go with the same technology. You'll be able to get good package outside as well as in the current company. Also, you can switch in ETL testing after learning this. You will get some hands-on in the same company, and then you will be able to get outside also. It will be useful for your manual testers. Mostly it's ETL testing is suggestible, and it will be more useful also. Next question, if anyone.
Hello, sir, this is Chandra.
Yeah, Chandra, tell me, Chandra.
Yeah, sir, do you have any weekday batch?
Weekday batch is not there because I got assigned with the one project which will be there in a weekdays or like a little bit late night. So it will be difficult. I have started last week, last 20 days back only. I have started one big day batch. I feel like it will be difficult to start again in future. So we can only find no Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days class. Remaining days you prepared full whatever the class we will cover in class, and you refer the previous class recording also if you'll be able to complete it faster, and then prepare it in proper way. It will be take the same time only 2 months.
Ah, yeah, okay, sir.
Weekdays I'll take 1 hour class. That's all. Weekend I'll take 1.5, 2 hours. So it's matter of 3 days instead of 5 days. You will be able to. You will be perfect in police.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
What is the duration of this?
Sorry, come again, Murli.
Duration.
2 months. My target is to complete in 7 to 8 weeks with all interview preparations. 7 to 8 weeks. 1 week plus minus, I don't consider care for that. I'm not in a hurry to start new batch again and again. So until unless will not complete your batch, will not move. Yeah, guys. Next. Anyone else, or shall I close the class? That's fine. Like 1 hour session was there. 10 minutes more I have taken. If you have any doubt, you can ask tomorrow also. Tomorrow, what I'll do, I'll explain you the full syllabus. What are the things we are gonna discuss, and then everything I'm gonna explain. Whoever want to prepare in a fast phase, refer the previous class recording and then start preparing from today itself. Be ready with within 20 to 25 or 30 days, and then let's get job faster. Whoever is ready, I'll share you the payment details. You can pay and then you can join it. Whoever is ready for the previous class recording in the faster phase to refer the fast track material, just go for it and then prepare, and then full support will be there from my side. And tomorrow I'll explain the syllabus part, and then we'll start from tomorrow. The first sessions will be there on ETL testing. Software installation, I'll tell you tomorrow. How to do practice SQL online, everything I'm gonna tell you tomorrow. So tomorrow class will be 1.5 hours. So be available, and then we'll meet tomorrow. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll disconnect and then we'll meet tomorrow evening, 8 o'clock. Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.